Yay!
Happy February!
Yay, it's February!
Mom, can we put the mirror here? And right here. Eh? Four, Mommy. Huh? One, two, three, four, five. Jump. 6. 7. Ew. 8. 9.
Who's that knocking on the door?
It's I think go up here.
Is first a donut or is first a baseball bat?
First the donut.
First the donut. So what does that mean?
D.
D. What does D sound like?
D. I think D goes after Z. In
After C. That's right.
So it goes right here.
I think you're right. So we've spent all morning rearranging our calendars. And so we have February up and we have decorated The Good and the Beautiful My Calendar booklet. So we are memorizing this poem now. If it would focus, prompt for every month. And February is my birthday month, so that is me with balloons, hearts for Valentine's Day. And then we go ahead and mark, we write in all the dates of our calendar. We also switched out our perpetual calendar. It is still winter, so we have our winter peg doll. We've switched out our February peg doll. Today is Friday the 1st. This is the top of our February nature table. Cotton pieces are still there. I picked these up at a farm in November and they are still beautiful and going strong and they look like snow, so they're staying on our winter nature table for now. A few books. This is tradition. This is a very special gift from a very special cousin. So we read that every Valentine's Day. And this is new. I picked this up from Dollar Tree. It says, "Dear God, thanks for thinking of love." And there are a few in this series that I picked up. I picked up all the ones that I did see. Very small passages, but this is a great prompt for further discussion. You can hear the jets zooming by. So this is the other one I found, and I thought I had one more. I thought I picked up 3. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll look for it, but this is the other one. My little book of Dear God letters. A real friend is someone who takes the time to listen to you. Thoughts for every day. And as her Bible journal, Bella chose this fuzzy journal. So we'll keep that close by. We have a devotional bin, which is this one. I haven't placed the label on there yet. So I just pulled out a few things from there to display on Month of Love. And when we think of love, we think of family and God and all the things that we love and care about. So I pulled out a few things here. So we have prayer sticks, and they're funny because they're heads on popsicle sticks. But I have littles. Luna's only 2, so I needed something visual, not just names. So here we have 6 of all the people we love. So DJ, my brother, mom, great grandpa, Grandma B, Tia Sam, if you're watching, we pray for you. Theo Victor, Tia Niji, of course, you guys are in here. So yes, everyone that we pray for and that we love, grandpa's grandma. And in here, we have some very special story stones that my husband hand painted for them. And I have them in here because I still have to seal them. See, this one isn't sealed, and Bella got to it already. If my camera would focus. So I have to fix this green here and seal it. And since they are fairy tale, princess, pink, you know, I thought they just would go well for our Valentine's Day table. You can't even see the detail in these because the camera and its focus, but they're absolutely stunning. So we use these for different prompts. Again, they are story stones, so they're fun story prompts and using your imagination. The kids also use them for play. Anytime someone shows an act of kindness, we put in a little trinket, whatever they'd like, buttons, gems, and then once it's all filled up, we get a special treat out. So a zoo, a fun zone, something of that sort. And then our globe. This is a cork globe and it usually lives here. And I thought that a fun activity would be to place hearts, small little hearts, where our family or our loved ones live for Valentine's Day. We are a military family, so we live far from most of our loved ones, so that'll be a fun activity. And then this down here, this is going to be our Valentine's Day themed shelf work. I'm not finishing that today. So I also spent part of our morning putting together a We Love Literacy Pink Series inspired Montessori shelf. And it's Valentine's Day themed, again, because the Pink Series is pink, and so I thought it would be the perfect display, Valentine's Day display. So we do have a reading bin with all of our Montessori Pink Series contents in there, and they're prepped and ready to go, so all I had to do was pull them out and, again, display them and put together this little shelf. Maybe you need to use a lot of glue?
No.